A new series of crash tests has highlighted a serious safety issue that most drivers never think about. Euro NCAP and ADAC tested the rear protection systems fitted to truck trailers across Europe. In a 56-kilometer-per-hour crash, the passenger car slid underneath the trailer after the underrun guard failed. Instead of absorbing the impact through its crumple zones, the car's cabin took the full force of the collision. The organizations estimate that trailer underrun crashes contribute to around 400 deaths every year across Europe and the UK. For comparison, the same test was carried out using a US trailer equipped with a stronger underrun protection system. This time, the barrier held its position, keeping the car at the correct height and allowing its safety systems to work as intended. The tests also found that while modern automatic emergency braking systems can detect standard test targets, some older systems struggle to recognize real trailers in certain situations. Euro NCAP is now calling for stronger trailer underrun protection and updated regulations, arguing that a relatively simple structural change could save hundreds of lives every year.